Afternoon guys, just out on a quick arvo recce, knocked off work, me and Ben knocked off work at 3 today and just fucking went, let's go for a fish. So yeah, we're on it. Going for a fish on one of the locals, see how we get on. Maybe we'll have the first video of the season, probably not, but we'll give it a go.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
We're on! Go on. Nice. On the board. Beautiful water though. Very clean. They're on dry droppers, little orange bead nymphs, early season. Hoping to find a couple of nice fish. Look at that dry fly, beautiful.
Yes! Brownie too, I think. Orange bead here in Cop.
Lovely. Took a mo, but you got him. That's a beautiful brown, mate. It's beautiful. Absolute stunner, mate. Dude, that's a stunning brown. Wow. Oh my god. It's a big one, bro. Nah, bro. It's pretty big, man. Are you seeing this?
Might be £3. Beautiful jack. Bronzy.
Stunner. I just want to get this shot.
Orange feed here in Trout.
Bro. I am that jealous, eh? First brown of the season.
Oh, right on the tip of the nose. How good. Great condition. Rainbow Charlie. Oh. Nice. Nice one, Charlie. Oh, back flipper. Back flipper. Got a rainbow, Charlie. Yeah. Got your rainbow. Stay here. Good boy. Good dog. Nice rainbow too, Charlie dog. Look at that. Nice fat hen. Ooh, she's not keen though. Ate the dry. Holy shit, it ate the dry. It ate the dry, Charlie. Look at your fish.
Yeah, that's better. That's nice.
Beautiful. Oh,
yeah.
Lovely little rainbuck.
Nice.
Good?
Yeah, got him.
Later. Stoked!
Pretty good fish.
Alright, we've got a nice fish, nice brownie here. Ah, you catch one now, mate. Give him one more. Which side did he feed on? Oh, real?
Yeah, oh, that's on the row with the line.
Got him? Yoo-hoo! Truck him down this way because there might be more up there.
There's a lot of pressure.
Yeah. You're on £6 tippet too. Oh, he's gone right back here.
Better off in the pool.
Better off in the pool. Oh, look at him. That's a good fish, bro.
I just can't turn him round.
There we go, come back. You're on £6.
Yeah. But I've been fishing 16 this winter.
Nice fish, about £4. Good shoulder. Oh, and the net, and the net.
How worth was that after work fish, eh?
Lovely.
So.
2 brownies, 2 rainbows. Oh, did it?
I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want
Alright, that wasn't a bad little afternoon session. 2 nice brownies, 2 little rainbows, fucking cool, and Charlie dog, nice. So yeah, there's season 4 episode 1 for you.
Done.
About bloody time. It's only taken me a week of the open season. But yeah, nah, plenty more fishing to come, and it's going to be a great season, I think. And yeah, one of those rainbows was on the dry fly, so that was cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Ben's channel too, Kiwi Fisher. Yep. Alright, we'll catch us on the next one. Yo.